Hi guys, I just wanted to go over this very clearly with you. So your assignment today is to read what I've written up, and I'm going to show you in a second. But I want you to understand that because of our new grading policy, or not new because it was done on October, but because assignments start locking 14 days after they were assigned and due, meaning that you can't go back and redo them, you are going to have some assignments that lock over Christmas break or winter break. For example, if we look at November right here, we have an exam that is going to be taken on Tuesday. That's when it's due. That's when you should take it. It is going to lock 14 days after it was assigned, meaning that it's going to lock on the 8th. So I need you to be aware that over Christmas break, some of these assignments are going to be locking, meaning that they won't be opened again. For example, also, if you look here at our Coriolis effects, those and our wind doodle notes that we did today, those assignments are going to be locked on the 1st of December, meaning that they will not be opened again. Now, if we can go to today's assignment, so here's what it is. So the end of the grading period is quickly approaching. It will end on January 12th, 2021. If we go back to our calendar, whoa, we don't want to do that. January 12th of 2021. We come back on the 4th, so there are not many days before the 12th, before our quarter ends. So I need you to get all of the work from the quarter 2 that has happened up until Thanksgiving done. So again, going back to the grading policy put into place on October 13th, stating that students had 14 days to complete missing work before the assignment locks. Many of your assignments will lock during winter break, especially those assigned today. I hope that you can hear me. Please be aware that the due dates for these assignments was prior to school letting out for break, meaning that if you were doing your daily work, as you should have, you shouldn't have any missing assignments. You should have nothing to do over Christmas break. This video and assignment is specifically targeted for those of you who are not keeping up with your daily work. This is another reminder that those assignments were locked or going to be locked, and you, only you, are the one who is responsible for your work and your grades. You're earning the grade that you get, whether you're doing your work or not. If you're not doing your work, you're earning that 0. If you're doing your work and keeping up, you're earning that 90, 98, or even 100. To help those of you who are still struggling to complete daily work, I will unlock individual assignments if requested via email with specific name of the assignment by December 3rd. If you do not email me, or if you email me after December 3rd to unlock an assignment, I will say no. So this specific, you must email by December 3rd. If unlocked, the assignment will be due and final on December 9th. I'm not going back to grade after December 9th. It won't happen. I hope that you understand that. If you take advantage of that, I will email you that statement again when you email and request a specific name of an assignment. Give me a specific name, like what's written here on Canvas, so I can go back and find it. For today's assignment, please use a text box submission to say, I understand the grading policies and missing work procedures written above. If you are missing work, please take today to make up assignments you are missing. If you have no missing work, then enjoy the rest of your day. So if you are in that missing work boat, you need to take responsibility for your own grade and get that missing work in. We're not hunting down missing work anymore. This is your responsibility. Okay? That's what you're doing. If you are one of the students who keeps up with daily work just as you should, all you have to do is I understand the grading policy and work procedures above, and then move on with your day. Enjoy. Go outside. It's going to be a chilly day, but it'll be a good day for observing the environment and science around you. Okay. Have a great day. Goodbye.